Thanks for joining me on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install an online trader script. Online trader script is actually an investment website script. Okay? I'm going to be showing you how you can install this particular script. Please take note that this video is for educational purpose and we don't indulge in any form of illicit activities. So please, if you are getting this video, please take note that it's for educational purpose for students who are handling their projects and all that. So if you want to build an investment website, you can actually use this particular script which I'll be showing to you to actually build your investment website. The name of the script is online trader script. Okay, so let's head over to the installation of this particular script and then the interface of the script and how to set it up. So I'm going to be using a subdomain for this particular script. So I'm going to go to my domain section. So once I head over to my domain section, where is our domain section again? So here you click on it. I'm going to create a subdomain which I'll be using for this particular script. Alright, so once that loads, you click on create a new domain. Remember, you can install this script on your main domain. But I'm not installing it on my main domain, so I'm installing it on the subdomain. So I'm creating a subdomain. So let me just say online dot. So I'm going to put the main domain. So you can see this is how you create a subdomain. Okay, so this is the name, then followed by the main domain. Alright, so we'll go ahead and we'll click on submit. So that has been created. Now we move over to the file manager where we are going to install the script. So we click file manager. It takes you to another tab. So, okay, search for file manager. So it takes you to this place. So you go to your public HTML. This is where you see the list of the domains. You open it. So right now we're going to search for the domain we just created. Look at the domain here, online.horoscopedigital.com.ng. So we'll open that. So we're going to install the script here. So I'm going to click on upload. So the script is on my computer already. So I'll click on select files. I think it's on my desktop. So look at it here. So this is the script, while this first one is the database, the SQL file. So click on open. So wait for it to install up to 100% before we move to the next step. Alright, so the script has been uploaded successfully, just as you can see. So click on go back. Now installing any script is quite easy, just the same way you install other scripts, okay? Now if you are using a new host, make sure you click on this settings icon. Then you make sure you click on this show hidden files. It's very important if you are using a new server, okay? So you click on save. So once that is done, this is our script. We need to extract it. You click on it. You click on the extract button, extract files. Now remember, this is our subdomain. So if I'm installing it on the main domain, I will have to just delete this subdomain. Alright, but I'm installing it on this subdomain. So you click on extract files. So once it has extracted, you can see that now you can reload it. So we can see everything here intact. Now we go over to the next step. In the next step, we are going to be creating a database. So I'm going to my cPanel. I will search for database wizard, just as you can see. So right now I'm going to give it a database name. So let me just give it online. Then click on next step. So go to step 2 where we'll create a database user. So I'm going to copy the password. Alright, then I'll click on create user. All right, so you make sure you go, we take you to this step 3. You click on all privileges, then you click on make changes. So once that is done, you go to the next step, which is phpMyAdmin. So phpMyAdmin is where you're going to upload the database file. So you click on phpMyAdmin. So if you need this script, make sure you reach out to me via WhatsApp so that you can get this particular online trader script. So now, rest that is fine. We'll look for the database we just created. Look at the database here. You can see that. So you click on import. So I'm going to import the database file. So we'll click on choose file. So this is the database. You open it. You scroll down to where you have import. So it has successfully been imported. Now we are going to connect the database to the script. So we'll go back to our script here. So to connect this particular database, you can see this env file. You can also see this one as well. So you just connect to this one here in this EE. So connect it, open it, then you see .env. You click on edit. So I'll click edit. So right now we're going to put in the database. So you can see that now. You can see line 13, 14, and 15. So this is where you put in the DB database. Right. So in line 5, which is the app URL, so we're going to put in our own link. So let me just, okay. The link is this. Let me just type it out. All right, so that is our link, okay? So we'll click on save changes. So that is done. So let's open the site and see. So copy the link. All right, so we can see that we're having a server error right now. So what could be the issue? Okay, so let's connect on the other database. That's env. You can see this env here. So connect as well. All right, so copy the URL. So let's save it. So let's refresh the website and see. All right, great. So we can see now that our website is actually loading, just as you can see on your screen. So this is the preloader. So the website has loaded successfully, just as you can see right now. All right, so let's open the pages to be sure that the pages are opening well. So let's go with this login page. All right, you can see now it's actually opening very well, okay? So it's going to take time to load because it's just a new installation. So going back. All right, so right now we're going to see log into the admin dashboard of this particular website. So this is the script. All right, so we're going to put in the login URL. So I think it's slash admin login slash login. So let's try this. All right, so this is the admin login link, okay? So most times we tend to have these login links on our head, So that is just it. So right now we're going to our database, our phpMyAdmin, to get the link, or sorry, the username, sorry, the email address and the password. Okay, so we're going to the database. So once you come to the database, you can see the admin table. You click on it. So once you click on it, you can see the email that is here. You can actually change it to your own. You can just click this edit button. So right now you can see this email. So I'm going to change it to ours. So let me say admin@gmail.com. Then for the password, what is the password? This is the password, okay? You select encrypt. So we're selecting encrypt for the password. Then you come here to paste in or type in your password. Then you go down to click on go. All right, so that has been saved. So let me refresh this page. All right, so I'm going to put in the details we just created now. Then I'll click on sign in. All right, so great. So you can see now that we have been taken to our dashboard, just as you can see right now. Okay, so this is the admin interface, admin dashboard for this online trader script. Just as you can see, these are the deposits, manage withdrawal, manage deposits. So once you come to investment plans, this is where you actually create your investment plans, okay? Then you come to the users, manage users. This is where you actually see a list of all the users you have on the site. So you can see these users, but we need to delete them from the database, okay? We don't want them because it's a fresh website. Here is where you manage the deposits and the withdrawal. So anybody who makes deposits, you come here, or withdrawal, you come to this place to manage it. It's either you accept it or reject it. This one is the administrator, where you can add another administrator to the site, okay? So now in this other section, this is the settings section, where you click on the app settings. When you click on the app settings, you can actually change the website name, the URL, put in your logo and all that. Here is the preference, where you put in your email address and you select the website currency. You can see some other settings here, like email verification, KYC verification. Then this other section here is the where you set up the SMTP. So remember, you must have created an email account on your cPanel for you to be able to set up this SMTP, okay? So rest that is fine. We'll now look at how then we can be able to, you can see some of this live chat and all that. How then do we add or remove them from this website? Okay, before we do that, let's go and delete most of the data from the database. So we'll go back to our database that we just created for this particular site. So right now, we'll click on look for, okay, let me see transactions, CP transactions, okay, and see if there's any data there. So we have none. So let me just delete this particular one. So we'll go to the next one, deposit. You can see deposit here. So we can see a list of deposits. I'll just click on check all, then I'll click on delete. So click on yes. So we'll go to the next one. Let's look through okay, TP transactions. All right, so I can click on this show all, so that it will show me all the old transactions, so I can delete them all at once. Click on delete. Yes. All right, so we'll go to the next one, users. So in this users, we have a list of users here. I can click on show all. Okay. Then I'll click on check all. Then I'll click on delete. Then I'll click yes. All right, so let me see withdrawals, if there's any withdrawal data. So I have one here, delete it. Okay. So once you get this script, make sure you follow this step to do what is needed of you. So if I go back to my dashboard, I can see now that I don't have these details again. The users are no longer there. The withdrawals, the deposits, all are no longer there. All right, so we see the front page of the website. Remember that whenever you change the name, it actually takes effect. And whenever you change your logo appears here. So we're going to see this live chat here, this live chat and this Telegram and WhatsApp chat. So to edit that or to delete that, you go back to your file manager. Once you get back to your file manager, you click on resources. As you click on resources, you click on views. Then right now you're going to click on you can see home here right now, or you click on layout. You can see layout. Layout is where you can see the details. So we see this app blade. You can edit it. You check inside to be sure that there is no live chat or WhatsApp chat there. Okay. All right. So we can see there is a WhatsApp chat here. You can see that right now. There's even Tido chat. So I'm going to delete them. So I'll just select them like this. All right. Delete them. Then I'll click on save changes. So once that is done, I will also go to the base. You can see base. Base here is acting as the footer. So I will click on edit. All right. So I'll scroll down. I can see the live charts. I can see them here. I can see Tido. You can see Tido. You can just see the next one. You can see WhatsApp chat over there. So you just go ahead and delete it as well. So delete. All right. So now once you preview your website, you're going to see now that this live chat and all that is no longer there on the site. So we can see that right now it's no longer appearing. So let's wait for it to load completely. All right, so it's no longer appearing, but it may appear, it may still be appearing on the user's dashboard. So this is our dashboard. Let's see. Okay, it's no longer appearing. So great. So let's look at, okay, it's no longer there. All right. So now the next thing we want to look at is, for instance, now you've been given this script now. You want to edit because there's a certificate that is actually here. All right. There's a certificate that is actually here. What you will do is you get the link, because this is a graphic, this is an image. So you right click, or if you don't want to right click, most times your Google Chrome may not show you the link. Okay, so what you can do now is you can actually search for it on the front page. This is the front page of the website. Okay, so you go to your file manager, back again, then you can see this home. This home should be the front pages of the website. Okay, so then we can see index. You can see index, right? So you click on edit. So right now this index has to do with the front page of this website. So once you scroll down, you can search, you can make use of search. You can search for total members, or you can search for 712. So let me search for 712. You press Ctrl F, 712. So you can see 712. So within this area, that certificate image will be in that particular place. Okay, all right, so it's actually started from here, official license, blah blah blah. So let's just search for it. All right, so you can see the image here. You can see that now. This is the folder where that certificate is. By the time you copy it and you view the link, let's view it now, slash this. You see it's going to load up this certificate for us. You can see that now. So this particular certificate is located in where? In this folder called temp/custom. So by the time you go to your file manager, you locate this particular folder called temp first. Okay, so you can see that now temp followed by custom, followed by what again, assets, followed by images, followed by assets, followed by images, followed by company, then followed by sat. You can see that now. So this is the image. So what you will do is upload your own. Once you upload your own, then you can replace your own with this particular name. You get that, right? Replace your own certificate with this particular name. Then you delete this one. You make sure you delete this one, delete it, then replace the one you upload with this exact name, so that it will rhyme together with that. So that is how you actually edit the certificate. So if there's anything at all on the front pages of the website you want to edit, you know that you are doing that from the index blade. So by the time you go back again to the resources and homes and all that, by the time you go back to your resources, views, you see home. So other sections like the about is from this place you edit them. Okay, so that is how you actually install this particular um investment script. Okay, please, like I said, this video is for educational purpose. Please, if you find this video helpful, do well to share to your friends. Okay, and if you need this script, also contact me via WhatsApp to get this particular script. Thank you very much.